This Montgomery Metro Realty property video is presented by LaShonda Gilchrist. Why wait 6 months for your brand new home to be completed? 1045 Overture Drive is practically new, and it is enhanced. This is an open and inviting floor plan. Enjoy every day with 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths plus a separate study/office/playroom. Granite/quartz countertops in the kitchen and stunning quartz/granite countertops in the baths. Open and inviting brand new floor plan for StoneyBrooke with stunning hardwood flooring in the oversized great room. Enjoy relaxing on the covered porch with a ceiling fan. Sensational master bath with double vanities, framed mirrors, a separate shower and a relaxing garden tub. Desirable kitchen with staggered cabinetry and a super island perfect for entertaining friends and family. Don't miss the super laundry room with a laundry closet and a boot bench. Oversized garage with shelving. This home is made green initiatives and energy efficiency standard in this homes with Energy Star standards and products that go above and beyond standard building codes are 15 and are 38 insulation, low E windows and a 15 SEER heating and cooling system. 10-year structural warranty from the industry's leading home warranty company, 2 to 10 home warranty. In an effort to reduce the spread of COVID-19, please call to make an appointment to show this home. For more information, review the